Introducing Primary Phono USB from Pro-Ject Audio Systems, the industry leader in affordable analog products. Because Primary comes pre-adjusted out of the box, installation is a breeze. Tracking force and anti-skating are carefully set at the factory. No further setup is needed. Primary Phono USB's silent drive belt, Ortophone's OM5E moving magnet cartridge, and ultra-smooth rotation combine to deliver optimum sonic performance. It also features a built-in phono preamp and USB out for direct connection to your stereo or computer.
The AT-LP3 fully automatic belt drive turntable lets you take your analog listening experience to the next level with advanced features not typically found in automatic turntables. Designed to play both 33 1/3 and 45 RPM records, the AT-LP3 features a DC servo-controlled motor and reliable belt drive operation constructed of anti-vibration damping materials that limit low-frequency feedback. The AT-LP3 features a die-cast aluminum platter with heavy 4mm rubber damping mat to further reduce resonance. A lift lever with hydraulic damping allows the stylus to be precisely and safely lowered and raised at any point on a record. Yet the turntable offers fully automatic operation, so you can simply press the start button to begin play and the stop button to lift and return the tone arm and shut off the turntable. Featuring a balanced straight tone arm with half-inch mount universal head shell, the turntable accepts a wide variety of moving magnet or moving coil cartridges. Adjustable counterweight and anti-skate features allow the turntable to be optimized for the chosen cartridge, while a rear panel switch configures the output signal for the type of cartridge installed. Included with the turntable is an AT91R dual moving magnet cartridge, pre-installed on a lightweight head shell. Able to connect directly to a stereo system, powered speakers, or other analog audio inputs, the AT-LP3 incorporates a built-in switchable phono preamp. Available in black or white, the AT-LP3's stylish design complements any decor, while the removable clear plastic dust cover protects the turntable and record being played. The AT-LP3 fully automatic belt drive turntable, automatic convenience with high fidelity performance. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.
I'll change my way for you.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.